Action. This is the Crowdfund Youth. We have our first meeting at the Warrensville Library to teach the kids investing, saving, and giving back. We have a watch list of stocks. We have Snapchat here. We have social media fun. They're both up 23 cents and 4 cents. And then you got Facebook, Apple, Twitter, which had announcements that did pretty good, and they shot up, and they're up to $16.54 a share, so we probably will get 5 of those shares. And Snap is our darling stock, so let's take a look at their chart. And our Snap is up to $22.25. We bought it 5 shares at around $21 or in a half or so. We're up a good, with 5 shares, probably a good $5 to $10. So we'll accumulate maybe 5 more shares until we'll eventually like to have 100 shares of Snap if the stock keeps going in the direction that we think it'll go. And earnings for Snap, if you click on earnings, comes out on the 10th of next month. So we'll see how that stock does. So far it's trading at a heavy volume of 1.2 million shares. It went public, I believe, on the 2nd of May. So it's been up to $29 or so, and as low as $19. So keep an eye on Snapchat, one of our darling stocks to watch.